Here's how to fix expired card issues on YouTube TV. First, open up your browser, then head to tv.youtube.com. Make sure to log into your account. When a recurring monthly payment fails because a card has expired, Google gives you a grace period to update your billing details before your live channels are paused. First, you want to navigate to your billing settings. For that, click on the profile picture. Now select Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, you will find the option of Billing. Click on that. Here, look for the current form of payment and click Update button right next to it. If you don't see the Update button over here, you can open up another tab and go to payments.google.com to manage your primary card. If you received a replacement card with the exact same card number but a new expiration date and CVV, you can click on Edit on the existing card, type in your updated security code and expiration date, and verify your current billing zip code. If you are switching to an entirely different card, click Add Payment Method, enter the new credit or debit card details and set it as your primary billing options. Once you click on Submit, Google will immediately attempt to rerun the transaction. Your payment will process and your YouTube TV subscription benefits will be instantly restored. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.